Weather-related hazards, safety tips, cold weather preparedness. Wear layers and cover skin to prevent frostbite and hypothermia. Heat stress prevention. Stay hydrated and take breaks in cool areas during hot weather. Rainy day safety. Wear non-slip shoes and watch out for slippery surfaces and puddles. Snow and ice hazards. Clear walkways and use de-icing materials to prevent slips. Thunderstorm safety. Stop work and seek shelter if you hear thunder or see lightning. High wind precautions. Secure loose items and avoid heights in strong winds. Foggy conditions. Use lights and wear high visibility clothing for better visibility. Heat exhaustion signs. Know the symptoms and seek medical help if needed. UV protection. Wear sunscreen and protective clothing against harmful UV rays. Cold stress. Recognition. Learn signs like shivering and confusion and respond quickly. Flash flood safety. Know evacuation routes and avoid low areas during heavy rain. Hurricane preparedness. Secure job sites and follow emergency plans. Tornado safety procedures. Identify safe areas and know shelter procedures. Winter driving tips. Winterize vehicles and drive carefully on icy, snowy roads. Frostbite. First aid. Warm affected areas gradually and seek medical help. Heat stroke emergency response. Act fast if someone shows signs like confusion. Wind chill awareness. Understand wind chill risks for hypothermia and take precautions. Lightning strike. Safety. Avoid metal in open areas during lightning storms. Dressing for cold work. Wear insulated, waterproof clothing and boots. Safe work in muddy conditions. Use stable platforms and be cautious on muddy ground. Hope all who listen like safety videos. If so, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these.